Okay, the 4 finishes include all glossy white, satin black, glossy black, or a 2-tone satin black and glossy white. 4 to choose from. Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. Today we're talking about options for Model Y owners with 19-inch Gemini wheels. These are the famous wheels with the Tesla hubcaps. And since day one, we've been selling lug nut covers and center caps. We powder coat these, but now we've got a better, simpler, easier to afford solution. There's a lot of them on the market. We're going to explain why our hubcaps or center caps are the best you can buy. So let's take a look at what we're offering, and they're in stock as of today, shipping and receiving before Christmas. We have 4 variations of our 7-spoke hubcap covers or wheel covers. We have the glossy white. This looks amazing on a white Model Y. A lot of women love this, even men that love white and black. This is our 2-tone look. This is a satin black interior. Tees are optional, installed by us at no charge. Vinyl decals, by the way. But anyway, this is a satin black center with a white perimeter. This looks great. We're going to show you photos of that. We also have solid satin black. Now this is ideal for any color because it matches all the trim, all the chrome deleted trim on any color car. So we think this is perfect for blue, red, gray. This is perfect for white. This is perfect for white or black. And lastly, glossy black. Now glossy black we installed just yesterday. It looks great. It matches the paint perfect. You put a nice red tee in here or a white tee, anything of your choice, we'll install it for you. We ship you out 4 of these. It's simple to install. And also, now let's talk about some of the competition. It's simple to install, it's simple to remove, and what makes ours different? Number 1, the depth. How deep it sits in the wheel is deeper. It covers up everything, which we're going to show you in a minute. And on the back, you'll notice we're not using any metal fasteners or clips that will scratch and damage your wheel. So what does that mean? Well, this is the competition, so to speak, Amazon, what have you. And these are metal clips. These metal clips bite right on the spokes, and it scratches the spokes up. So if you were to install these from Amazon and put them on, number 1, you won't get them off in one piece. We had a customer in here today, we couldn't even remove them. So we sold them ours. They just break right off. They're using plastic clips with metal spikes to pinch and grab in here. So it's just going to tear up your wheels. And the hardest thing is getting them off. You cannot get them off. You'll break the clips. It'll be worthless. You put it back on with broken clips, it can fly off. You'll have a liability risk. And we all know how that goes with Chinese companies that don't have insurance or liability insurance in the United States. But back to our wheels. Now, our wheels are made with plastic clips, so they pinch right on, they reach right over this exterior, and they hold on like nothing else. We give you everything in the kit to install it. We give you the tool, we call this the removal tool. You'll keep this in your glove box. If you ever have to have your wheels rotated, you're gonna need to have your wheels taken off, hubcaps come off. You can't get to the lug nuts without taking the wheel off. So anyway, this is the removal tool, you'll keep that. We also give you 4 long strands of EVA foam. The foam goes on the back side here. So on this edge, this foam will protect itself from scratching your wheels. Honestly, we think it's optional. We don't think that this is gonna do much damage of rubbing, but you can unroll it, peel it off, stick it right on here, run it all the way around, and then when it sits or seats on the alloy wheel, it's really gonna make a nice fit. It's not gonna let a lot of water in. So anyway, we're including that with every set. Also, we want to talk about removing and installing. So again, people don't think when they buy a hubcap or a center cap that they're gonna need to remove it. But if you need new tires, if you need to change a flat, if you need to rotate your tires, these have to come off. The imports, they don't come off. They're just garbage and they break. So ours is made overseas, actually in Taiwan, and ours is imported, but we have designed it to fit better, function better, and also remove and go on and off much easier. So we're gonna do that for you right now. So we're gonna take, let's take the beautiful solid white one. And watch how easy it installs. Of course, it only uses a little bit of pressure to install, and it fits right in the middle of the wheel. Just drop it down and center it over your valve stem cap, and then just take your hands and go like this. Okay, it's all installed. It's that easy. Now, you may be going down the road and you can look at the fitment and how it fits. Now look at how tight it fits from a high angle. You can see how you don't see any of the wheel compared to the shallow, cheap, inexpensive ones on Amazon. Now these here fit great. They cover up the whole leading edge. They cover up the valve stem area. Now taking it off is not easy. It's very difficult. It has to hold on super strong, not fly off. So with this tool we give you, we're going to show you how to do it. You basically have to simply put the tool in the plastic lip and find a spot where you can get it in like this. And once you get this piece in here, you hold your fingers here and you move it to the side and it'll just release. So go all the way around, top and bottom, and it comes right off. So the removal tool is key. You really are going to need this. It works super easy. And again, once it's installed, it's not going to come off unless you're using some kind of a pry tool. And again, that's it. They're in stock now. You get a set of 4 for under $200. We're not Amazon, but our prices are better. Our quality's better. We stand behind it. Lifetime warranty. RPM Tesla. Thanks for watching. And again, we're going to have a little spot so you can choose an inner wheel T color of your choice. Black, white, red, blue. It'll make a nice accent right in the center of the wheel. Thanks again for watching. RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories.